That's what we've been waiting on. Every time that bit, go to the front, go to the front, go to the front. Here.
Bitch, how the fuck I get here, nigga? I'm from Flint. Bro itching for a hat, he tryna snatch a nigga brim. Thick shit, hitting it from the back, I'm tryna snap her leg. Real slack, cause right after that, I'm tryna clap her friend. Uptown, downtown, they shot him in the leg. We keep shit in the street, bro, we don't ever talk to feds. She want me to grab her hair, bro, I'm gonna pull it off her head. Pull up on me while we out in traffic, you getting lift.
YouTube, what's going on with it, man? It's your boy 345 German. As our boys can see, we got the V's outside, the Charlie dudes. We got a wide body and a slim body. But if y'all can't see in today's video, we got us the OEM intake on there, and we're gonna be replacing it with a brand new leg maker and intake for the Hellcat, y'all. So the Hellcat gonna be sounding way louder today, y'all. And then we got the little couplings and adapters for it right here that we're gonna go ahead and slap on for y'all boys, man. So it's gonna be a cool little video. Make sure y'all boys stay tuned to the end so y'all can hear the difference on the whine too, man. Cause we gonna see what it sound like before and after. We gonna make them rev it before and then rev it after so you can see. Oh, he said I'm about to do that shit right now. he said I'm doing that right now. All right, so look, y'all, look. This is before. Got loud. That motherfucker got loud. But yeah, man, so let's go ahead and start getting this installed. Let me go to the YouTube video for y'all boys, and then I'm gonna pick back up the camera real quick. Let me go ahead and grab my toolbox for y'all. All right, YouTube, so he got one hose right here that he got to take out from his intake. You take this out. You can first try to get that out. Hold on. Let me get my flathead for him real quick, y'all, so he can go ahead and get this out. So he working on that end. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna loosen up his throttle body real quick after he go ahead and loosen up this real quick, y'all. All right, y'all, so we lost the 8 milli dude. If y'all boys can see about right there, our 8 milli dude is right inside the engine bay. So we went on ahead and start using this one real quick. So let's go ahead and try to get this off real quick for y'all boys, man. So we got our first butt out. We about to go ahead and grab this one right here out, and then we got this one, and then we also got to take out this sensor. When we get the sensor off, we're gonna do it after we get like this and this part off, y'all, because we don't want to break his sensor. He really need the sensor in there, y'all. So we got one out, and then we got to go ahead and get the second out, y'all. Y'all see what we just threw on, man? That leg maker sticker, that's cool. Mine did that same thing right there. It's cool, yeah. So, if y'all boys did not know, Germ came from a 5.7. Germ came from an OEM intake. It did not upgrade it. A leg maker from our 5.7 y'all. So we both came leg maker brand, y'all. We the only ones in our group with the leg makers too, y'all. So we feel different for real. And these the loudest ones, y'all. So I say if y'all want an intake for y'all mopar, go leg maker. If not, go JOT or the Air Raid or the Corsa one or something like that, y'all. All right, y'all. So we got the clamp from over the throttle body off, as y'all can see right here. It's got a little gap. This supposed to just pull right out, y'all. We can't get this out though. We trying to figure that out right now, yeah. Cause he just popped it out. Yeah.
Alright, so we got this.
As y'all can't see YouTube.
Now we gotta try and get this one.
So we got the airbox out. We got it right here. This is the replacement, man. Let me know what y'all boys think of the replacement, man. I feel like this is a good replacement. But now, what we're working on, y'all, is we trying to get this sensor up out of the tubing real quick. So once we do that, y'all, we can go ahead and literally slap on a brand new intake. YouTube, man. So Germ has to get this for my leg maker, y'all. But we got the sticker on there, the clamp on there, the tubing on there. Now we need to get it on the throttle body, and after we can get the sensor out, y'all, we done. But we just got this last sensor that's slowing us down from doing everything we need to get done in today's video, y'all. Once we get this out, we can go ahead and literally slap this right onto the leg maker and get this right in there, y'all. So let's go ahead and hurry up and figure out a YouTube video on how to get that tube out real quick, y'all. And then I'm gonna cut back on the camera when he revving it so I can hear how loud the brand new leg maker sound with this brand new jailbreak. So they say we gotta put a little bit of heat to this, y'all, to loosen it up. So we're trying to loosen it up a little bit. Not direct heat, but we're trying to get it to loosen up, because what they did in the videos was they loosened it up and you was able to just pull this off. As I was saying, we was trying to pull it off and it wasn't budget with us, y'all, because this is a brand new jailbreak, y'all. So everything on here brand new, y'all. When it comes to all the screws and everything is literally bolted all the way down. You don't got no space to hand screw anything because it's all fresh, y'all. It's a brand new car. So after he get this brand new leg maker on there, y'all, it's gonna sound way better. We're gonna go ahead and get y'all some clips like I said, and I'm gonna let y'all hear my 5.7. So from a 5.7 leg maker to a Hellcat leg maker with a supercharger on there, we're gonna hear the difference too.
Bitch, how the fuck I get here, nigga? I'm from Flint. Bro, itchy for a head, he tryna snatch a nigga brim. Thick shit, hitting it from the back, I'm tryna snap her leg. Real slack, cause right after that, I'm tryna clap her.
Tube. After so long, we done had to burn this, y'all. I think we're gonna have to replace this to get a whole new one, y'all. But we're gonna see if we can still slide this in there. Hold on. Let me go. Oh, it went right in, y'all. It might leak a little bit airflow though. I don't think that's gonna work, y'all. It might leak a little bit airflow, but we're gonna go ahead and put it on though real quick, and then we're just gonna see if it come back out. See if it come back out. See if we could just pull that bitch out. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. Now that we know that this go in and out real quick, y'all, we're gonna be cool. So now we can go ahead, put this back in after we go ahead and bolt this on there real quick. So let's go ahead and bolt that on real quick, y'all. Y'all see what we got going on. Come on. That's what we've been waiting on. Stop that motherfucker. Let me stop that bit. Go to the front. Here, record it. So bad, look. Hey, this install for so worth it, y'all. The leg maker on this motherfucker sounds so loud. Oh, look, YouTube, look. We about to give y'all some pulls, some flybys real quick so y'all can hear what this motherfucker sound like. And then we probably gonna run up to AutoZone and go get him a spare one of these. Go look on the light, go look on your dash and make sure no lights cut on.
No lights.
No lights? Okay, cool. Check your, go to your temperatures for me real quick. Go to this for me. No, right here, you cool. Air intake temperature, where that bitch at? Oh, we cool.
We green?
Yeah, we green.
Green?
Yeah, I ain't gonna fake. We probably gonna go grab you a spare one of those just in case though. You feel me? Over time.
Yeah.
Where you wanna go grab? You wanna go track mode? All right, come on, y'all. Gang! Oh my gosh! I ain't even call Eli. He about to be sick. It's cool. He gonna get the video, man. Y'all, this leg maker intake is well worth it. All right, YouTube, man. We got the intake on successfully, y'all. We're gonna go ahead and get y'all boys a little bit of pulls real quick in a little bit, and then let me go ahead and cut my car on and let y'all hear a leg maker on a 5.7 do real quick. Let me just go ahead and pop the hood for y'all, man.
Uptown, downtown, they shot him in the leg. We keep shit in the street, bro. We don't ever talk to feds. She want me to grab her hair, bro. I'm gonna pull it off her head. Pull up on me while we out in traffic, you getting left.
Oh,
All right, Tutu, man. So we in that goddamn jailbreak, man. Sunroof dude, badge. I nigga got them pages back. He said, "Go ahead." Look, man, let me show y'all niggas. So look, we gonna give y'all an eco mode pool. What you fuck with, track mode or sport mode better?
Man, that track is different.
Yeah, y'all. Me and Trey, me and Charles, we both the track dudes. So we gonna go ahead and give y'all boys a pool. But once we get off the street, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the camera so I don't show y'all boys what it look like around this house, though. Y'all hear that whine on that motherfucker? You see that? Y'all hear that whine though? Oh my gosh. What the fuck, this bitch? Oh shit. Oh shit. He said, let me lay that belt on that leg quicker, man. Y'all, this leg maker worth it, bro. I'm so proud of my nigga grabbing leg maker, y'all. I'm the one that convinced him to go leg maker, y'all. I think you was gonna, what was you gonna grab before? JOT? With the heat shield and shit?
Yeah, hold up. These hoe ass niggas next to us.
He said these hoe ass niggas next to us. Ah, the boys. Y'all see it, man. But 717 on the screen. Let me cut this off because this decreased a little bit of your horsepower too with the air
Where should it be at my intake air temperature?
Wait, it's gonna
nah.
When you idling, it's gonna get cooler. I mean, it's gonna get warmer. But when you driving, that shit gonna get down to like 100.
Alright, I'm just making sure.
Yeah, it's gonna get down. The more you drive, look, what I tell you. That bit instantly going down as soon as you get the look, instantly going down too.
This bitch sound crazy, bro.
Hold on, let me roll my window back up a little bit, y'all. Oh shit! Y'all hear him laying that belt? So what y'all boys thinking, man? Y'all think the leg maker was well worth it compared to the old intake? Y'all did hear a little clip out of it at the beginning.
On YouTube too. Let's get this on YouTube.
Oh yeah, he said
Stay
this.
the fuck away from this gray,
wide body
jailbreak.
This is not the one to go take, y'all. This is not the one to go try to take, man. This is not the one, man.
Fuck away from this.
You feel me? He's saying the old wine was way lower.
The stock intake is low as fuck, like,
compared to the leg maker, y'all. I feel like you can go.
It's a jailbreak, it come with red eye intake.
Yeah, it come with a red eye intake, so it can have 717 in it, y'all.
But that leg maker definitely.
It sound like it sound like it can go up to higher RPMs with the leg maker, and the wine get way louder, y'all. Y'all, I can definitely hear the difference coming from a 5.7 on it, y'all, from a leg maker on a Hellcat to mine, of course, because the supercharger. But man, let me know what y'all boys think down in the comment section below, man. Was this a good drop? Yes or no, man? And we probably gonna end the video off right here, man. I hope y'all boys enjoyed. Make sure I like, comment, share, subscribe, and type into the next video, man. Peace.